there, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a new makeup subscription unboxing. I have here the Chic Beauty box, and this was sent over to me, and I am looking forward to seeing what this subscription box is all about. You guys know I do Allure boxings, and I also do BoxyCharm, so I kind of want to see how this one compares. It's a new one to the market, and I kind of want to see how it compares to those other boxes. So we're going to be unboxing it. This is their October box, so we will be seeing what products came inside here and chatting a bit about it, so why don't we go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up the website because they really didn't give me like too much information. They offered to send it to me, and they did direct me to the website for any questions or anything. So I am going to just read to you what I'm seeing. So it looks like each box will receive 4 to 5 full-size items. The makeup products are worth over $100 in here, and the cost of the box is $34.99. So this is bi-monthly, so it's one that you're going to get every single other month, not every single month. And it looks like there is a shipping cost on here as well. It's $7.95 for shipping, so the total comes out to $42.94. You are supposed to receive over $100 worth of products. And from what I see on the front page, it looks like some really like high-end brands. From what I'm seeing, I see like Too Faced, I see NARS, Kylie Cosmetics, I see Anastasia, Huda Beauty. So if there are like name brand, like super name brands in here, this could be a really good value because I feel like we don't see those a lot with other subscription services. We do, but I don't feel like they're as prominent. Like I feel like a lot of times it's a lot of brands that, you know, are newer or brands we've never heard of before. So I am excited to see what came inside of this box. So grabbing out the card right here, it just says Chic Beauty box. And I don't know if there's a difference in variations, but it does say the September-October box. And it looks like on here, it has all of the prices on all of the products, and that is awesome. So it has everything listed out right there. So let's go ahead and start digging in and seeing what we got. So first up, I see something from Bareminerals, and this is a highlight. This is in the shade Free, and this is their full all-natural looking glow highlighter. So this is actually a highlight I just got sent to me from Bareminerals, like super recent. I got to do a Zoom with them last week actually, and they sent this over to me. So I'm gonna show you guys the one I have right here. And I will tell you, like I've been wearing this one a bunch. It's very, very beautiful. And I love that it's like, it's very glowy, but it's almost like that lit from within type of glow. Here is a swatch of it right there. It kind of just gives you that like sun-kissed type of glow, like if you move and you tint, like you have something, but it's not like overpowering, and it doesn't look like too streaky or anything like that on the face. So this one is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much it costs on here. So the price of this is $30 for the highlight. I'm gonna save this one for a giveaway for you guys since I already own that. Let's go ahead and move on. So up next in here, I see something from Milk Makeup, so another high-end brand, and we have here their eye vinyl. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's an eyeliner. Glossy shadow creates comfortable non-sticky wear. Okay, so I think it's like a liquid shadow. It's in the shade Tunnel. So I'll go ahead and pull it out. It kind of reminds me of like an old school like lip gloss, like with that applicator on there. But let's go ahead and twist it up and see. This probably would be good. Twist and twist. This probably would be good for a like a smoky eye if you were to use this as your base for a smoky eye. I feel like I'm twisting forever right now. Okay, here it comes out. So let's just go ahead and see. Oh, it's very glossy, like it's like wet. Here's what it looks like. So it's definitely very like wet and glossy. Let's see here where this is at. So the cost on this one is $20. And I want to like read more on this product because I'm really like just curious about it. It's an eye vinyl, but it's very glossy. Like I wonder how this would feel on the eye, if it would feel like really sticky or just kind of how it would feel. I'm just very curious. But if you're into like a glossy lid, this might be something kind of fun. So we have that. Let's go ahead and see what else. We have something from NYX up next. And this is the powder blush, and it's in the shade Peach. This looks really pretty. It's been a while since I've tried something from NYX. I don't know why, but I feel like for me, I just like, they're not a brand that super attracts me anymore. Like I used to buy their stuff all the time. Like when I first started getting into makeup, I had like, so I was always constantly in their section, like buying stuff. I loved their stuff, but it's been a while. Like I feel like for me, they just haven't really released anything that's like really drawn me in that much, but ooh, this feels nice. But I'm excited to have something from them because it's been a while. So here is a swatch of the blush. It looks like more of like a satin, like matte finish almost. It has a hint of sheen to it, but nothing too intense. It actually blends out really nicely. It's called a powder blush. So this is in the shade, again, Peach. and it looks really pretty. And the price on this one here is $7.50 for the blush. Okay, and then we have something from NARS in here. I think that's why I said NARS right there. So NARS is definitely a pricier brand, so that's exciting to get in here. Okay, and it says that this is their Hustle Cheek palette, and I don't remember hearing much about this one, but I will go ahead and open it up to show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if this was maybe like a limited edition palette. I'm trying to remember, but it looks super gorgeous. Look at this packaging. This is so pretty. I love NARS's packaging. They have some of my favorite. So pretty. And then on here you have 3 shades actually that I don't own, so this is kind of exciting. So here's the inside. It has the stars right there on the inside. So a closer look. So it looks like we have 3 different shades, and I'll go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So we have a highlight, and then it looks like 2 different blushes. Depending on your skin tone, I feel like you might be able to use the last shade as, actually they're probably both blushes. I was gonna say a bronzer, but I don't think so. So here are the swatches. So here you have the highlight and then the 2 blushes right there. I love that these aren't like their typical shades in here. So they are Cure, Born to Be Alive, and I Need a Man. Those are the 3 shades that are in this palette. Normally I feel like there's always like the Orgasm palette or the Orgasm shade. Also, I feel like they always put their Laguna bronzer, so that's fun that it's all new shades for me at least. And then there is one last product in here, and this is from Almay, and this is a Goddess Gloss right here. And let's go ahead and give this one a swatch, and the color on this one is Flame. I'm realizing I never told you guys the price on that palette, so it does retail for $42 for the NARS palettes, and then this Almay Gloss is $9.99 for this one. So let's go ahead and give it a swatch. It looks really pretty. It has a glossiness to it, but it also has like a duochrome like shift. Like, do you see the red, the purple? That's really fun. So that is the lip gloss there from Almay, and then that is everything that we got inside of the box. So altogether, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And let's go ahead and add up the total value of the box. The total value on this box is $109.49. So if this is anything that you've had your eye on, I definitely think it's a good value. I love that we got like high-end brands in here, like, you know, brands that you see in Sephora, like NARS, Bareminerals, and Milk Makeup. And then we had a few different drugstore products in here. I thought this was a really nice box, like something different to get. You guys will have to let me know down below if you liked seeing this unboxing, if you're interested in maybe testing this one out. I'll have the link down below if you are interested in signing up, and I'll let you guys know if I continue to receive these. I can continue to do unboxings if you guys are curious on this. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, friends.